Hi dear children, in this video we will learn about function argument. These function arguments are used to call functions. There are four types of function argument. They are required argument, keyword argument, default arguments and variable length argument. In this video, we will learn about these four types of function arguments. Okay children, now we will see about required argument. Required arguments are argument passed to the function in the correct positional order. See here, this is the function def area L comma B, written L into B. This much is a function, area function. Here C is equal to area 3 comma 5. This is the function call. Understand? This is function definition. This is function call. When the function is calling, that time it passing the argument, same number of argument to the parameter. Understand? Here how many parameters are there? 2 parameter. Same that much arguments we have to pass into the function definition. Did you get it? That is the required argument. That also in the correct positional order. This is we are given the length. Length we cannot give this side. Length and birth. That correct positional order only we have to pass. That is the required argument. Okay children, now we will see about keyword argument. This argument will invoke the function after the parameters are recognized their name. See this example, def print data name. Print example 1 keyword argument print name colon comma name return. This much only function definition. What is the function name here? Print data is the function name. Okay, see here, then next print data name equal to Jishan. Here, this is the call statement. This function, this statement only invoke this function. Invoke means calling this function. When it will be calling, then this parameter, this is the parameter we studied. The variable in the function is called, function definition is called parameter. This parameter recognize this argument, this parameter value. Then only it will be executed. Did you get that? Here, another one example here. Def print data name print example 2 keyword argument print name colon comma name return print data name on equal to Jishan. Same only previous example only, but only one different. Here instead of name they given name 1. That is the difference. That's why it is this program is not executed. Why it is not executed? Parameter not recognizing this name. That's why it is not executed. Here name 1 and name is different. So it is not executed. Then another one example. See here. Def print data name comma age. Print example 3 keyword argument. Print name comma name. Print age comma age return. Print data age equal to 25, name equal to Jishan. Here, how it is executing? This is the function definition. This is the function call statement. How many parameters are there? 2 parameters. What are they? Name and age. We are also passing 2 values to there. Then see here. Here first parameter is name. Here what is first value? Age. Here next value age. Here name. That is interchanged. Then also it will be executed correctly. First, what is the job of this one? First, recognize their name. Then assign the value to that. See here, name. Recognize it is matching. So, value will be passed to that variable. Here, age. So, this value will be passed to here. But in the previous one, which one we studied? Required argument. When we are passing the parameter, we have to pass to the correct positional order. Then here is name means we should use the name here itself. Age is here means we have to use the age here in the previous type required argument. But in the keyword argument, not like that. We can change the positional order, but the name is correct only. They are recognizing the name of the parameter, then only accessing it. Understand? Next one is default argument. We studied in the last year itself. Default argument. What we studied? The value assigned to the formal parameter. Value assigned to the formal parameter, that is a default argument. Same way here also the value assigned to that parameter, that is the default argument. See here example def print info name comma salary equal to 3,500. Print name salary return print info money. Okay, what is the function name here? Print info. These are the statements are available in the print info. We are calling the function using this function line print info money. Here this function is calling that how many parameters are there? Only one parameter, but here how many parameter? 2 parameter. How it is executing? See here, when it will be calling that money will be passed to this name parameter. Then see here print name. What is the name in this? Name. Print salary. Salary what it is? 3,500. That will be displayed on the monitor. Understand? This is the default argument. Default argument means it take the value, default value, if we are not mentioned. Here we are not mentioned the salary. That time it will be take the default value. Understand? Okay children, now we will see about last function argument, variable length argument. For this explanation, first I am explaining example. Def sum x comma y comma z. Print sum of three numbers x plus y plus z. This is the function definition. What is the function name here? Sum. Understand? Then we are accepting three values, then adding that three value. This is the job of this function. Then next we are calling that function using this statement. Sum 5 comma 10 comma 15 comma 20 comma 25. How many values are there? 5. 1 2 3 4 5 values. Here 3 parameter. Can we pass to there? We cannot do. Like this situation will appear. That time how we can handle? For that purpose only they are using the variable length argument. Did you understand the situation? See here, when we are using the variable length argument, that has one syntax. See here, def, already we studied it. The all functions are created using def keyword, then function name, then within the parenthesis star arguments. Star is important because of we have to represent this variable is variable length argument. Then function body return statement. Understand? Then see here one example also here. Then def print numbers star numbers for n in numbers print n return. Here first example printing two values. It print then next print numbers 1 comma 2. Here what is the function definition? This is the function definition. Then print n numbers for in. This is the function definition. How many parameter? only one parameter, that is variable length argument. Here how many parameter? 2 parameter. Can we pass? We can pass. How we can? This parameter take as a variable length argument. So we can easily. How it will be printed? Then these two values are stored in this number 1 comma. This number variable hold the value 1 comma 2. So for n in row, first time n numbers has how many values? 1 comma 2. First time n is take the 1, then print n. That one will be printed. Next time n will take the next number 2. Then print n, then 2. Understand? Then next come to that line, printing 3 numbers. Print numbers, this function calling. How many parameter we are passing now? Then 3 parameters. Is it? So these number store, what are the values? 10 comma 20 comma 30. Then for n in numbers, how many values in that? 3 values. What are they? 10 comma 20 comma 30. First take n is first value 10. Then print n, 10 will be printed. Then next time n value is 20. Then 20 will be printed. Next time n value is 30. Then 30 will be printed. Then program is terminating. It is written back to the function. Understand? Okay children, in this video we studied about 4 types of function argument. What are they? Required argument, keyword argument, default arguments and variable length argument. Thank you dear children.